Introducing Laser, Australia's #1 CarPlay brand. From compact portable units to large display systems. Supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigate with confidence using real-time maps and directions. Enjoy your favorite music and podcasts on the go. Make and receive calls safely while driving. Send and receive messages hands-free. Stay connected with your favorite messaging apps safely and effortlessly. Seamlessly mirror your smartphone with built-in screen mirroring. Access a wide range of apps including podcasts, audiobooks, and weather. Everything you need right from your dashboard. Quick and easy Bluetooth pairing. Connect to your car's audio system using the built-in FM transmitter. Simply match the frequency for seamless sound. Secure your device with a strong suction mount, designed for a clean fit without damaging your dashboard. Swing, rotate, and extend the display with ease. Available in 3 sizes: 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. A 2-year guarantee for complete peace of mind. Available from leading retailers across Australia and New Zealand.